Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put words behind a subject or an object in Photoshop on the iPad. It's gonna go kind of fast, so feel free to pause the video if you need to. I tend to edit pretty fast, so yeah, you're probably gonna need to pause the video, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna go into Photoshop, create a new canvas. Now we're going to add the picture that we want to edit by doing this. Now select the picture. Okay, press done once you have it all set. And you shouldn't have this problem, but if it has that little thing next to the picture there, just go into that. Just do what I'm doing there. Yeah. Select that, and if you're not in object selection already, click that. Now select the subject. Press invert and erase, and now just press deselect. Okay, now add that same photo here again. Press done. Now just put the object without the background in front of the picture that you just put in. Now we're going to add the titles. Click wherever you want to add that title. Type in whatever you want. In here I'm saying Puerto Rico because that's where I took this picture. Okay, now just arrange it however you want. Do the same thing for the next word. Okay, now press done. Okay, now we're just gonna edit the colors here. You can do whatever you want, basically. Okay, now put the titles behind the subject without the background. So that's how you can put it behind the subject, but in front of the background. Just rearrange that there. And now it's done. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. It was a short one today. I did go a little fast, told you I would. So hopefully this taught you something, and next week I will come out with an even better video. See you next time.